Assalamu alaikum, kids. Welcome back to your channel, Quran for Kids.
Now, kids, we will move forward in Surah Al Baqarah, verses 11 to 15. In the previous ayahs, we discussed the characters of believers, disbelievers, and hypocrites. Let's continue with further verses.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ.
And when it is said to them, "Do not cause corruption on the earth," they say, "We are but reformers." Troublemakers. Here, Allah has continued to talk about hypocrites. They are always troublemakers for Muslims and are stubborn, not ready to accept anything. When they are told not to create trouble for Muslims and in the earth, they are always in the denial mode and always have lame excuses for their doings.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
Unquestionably, it is they who are the corruptors, but they perceive it not. Allah is saying that they are the fools and real troublemakers for themselves, but they are fool enough to understand this.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا كَمَا آمَنَ النَّاسُ قَالُوا أَنُؤْمِنُ كَمَا آمَنَ السُّفَهَاءُ أَلَا إِنَّهُمْ هُمُ السُّفَهَاءُ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
And when it is said to them, "Believe as the people have believed," they say, "Should we believe as the foolish have believed?" Unquestionably, it is they who are the foolish, but they know it not. When Prophet Muhammad conveyed the message of Allah, only some poor people like slaves believed on him and became his companion. This created rage in Arab elite people. So when they were offered to believe in Quran, they said, "We are not like these foolish people." But Allah said that in reality they are actual idiots, but they do not know. Those poor companions of Prophet were the real heroes and promised Jannah.
وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And when they meet those who believe, they say, "We believe." But when they are alone with their evil ones, they say, "Indeed, we are with you. We were only mocking." Hypocrites are very dangerous. They are two-faced. And at that time, when Prophet preached Islam, there were hypocrites who in front of believers acted like they believe in Allah. But when they used to meet their Arab leaders or people, they used to say them that they are just kidding with Muslims and they are with the disbelievers. In this way, they damage themselves by earning the hellfire, as Allah knows everything.
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
But Allah mocks them and prolongs them in their transgression while they wander blindly. As these people have not accepted Islam, despite of all the truth they have seen with their eyes, Allah has now ended their chance towards truth, and now they will be in their disobedience forever. This will lead them towards hell.
That's all for today, my dear friends. Don't forget to recite Surah Al Baqarah and share what you learned with your family. See you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.